Hello, my name is Emily, and welcome to my problem. Just kidding, we're at the University of Calgary Aquatic Center. I've worked in aquatics for over 5 years now as a lifeguard, instructor, and supervisor, and the main problem I've dealt with is deck scrub. It's a daily task where we scrub the deck with chemicals and water in order to combat our biggest hazard. It can be quite wasteful, however, it is imperative to the safety of our swimmers as well as the preventative maintenance of our facility that is designed to last 30 to 50 years, and in some cases more. Currently, I spend 30% of my shift doing deck scrub, and this isn't just a problem for lifeguards, but management as well. The town of Ponoka spends just above $10,000 per year on this task, and the University of Calgary spends $40,000. This is a costly and ongoing problem that is in need of a better solution.
Introducing Squeegee. We have developed a safe, autonomous, and effective robot that vacuums, scrubs, and disinfects the surfaces of the pool deck. Through utilizing UV lights, we're able to provide a better clean that kills more microbacteria than the current traditional method of chemicals and lifeguard labor. We intend to use a 360-degree camera to navigate each individual pool and provide us with the optimal path for disinfection. Our product Squeegee aims to help overworked lifeguards who want to prioritize their time differently on deck, while also helping our innovative pool management find a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan of their facilities. We achieve this through having the task of deck scrub done autonomously during the closed hours of the day. We are superior to the current model of lifeguard labor and third-party contracting because we significantly reduce the need for human labor and therefore eliminate hazards and costly errors. A study by the American Journal of Infection Control found that UVC lights outperform the disinfection capabilities of bleach alone. UVC lights have been proven to kill 99.99% of microbacteria that live on surfaces. Additionally, UV lights are more environmentally friendly than chemicals because they are recyclable and they do not end up in our waterways.
Currently, either a lifeguard or a professional cleaner has to make sure that the deck area is in sanitary condition, but neither option is cost effective. Inevitably, Squeegee will lead the market because it is time efficient, customer oriented, and cost effective. Our robot kills over 99% of bacteria without using chemicals. Not to mention, since it is autonomous, you can let it run during off hours with no monitoring needed. We ask for $499,500. Most of our costs will go into research and development, as well as patenting of the navigation software. To develop brand presence and expose our technology to a bigger market, we require trade show budget too. With production cost of machine being $912, monthly leasing will generate us a total revenue of $4,800 annually.
We intend to reach the markets by my connections in the aquatic industry, trade shows, and word of mouth. Currently, there are 41 pools in Calgary, 217 in Alberta, and just around 3,000 in Canada. Aquatics is just a beachhead for us, and in the near future, we intend to expand into the hospital industry and the airport industry. The average square feet of our market's facilities range from 8,000 to 75,000. There are close to 3,000 pools in Canada, 500 airports, and over 1,000 hospitals. With a 25% penetration in the markets, we expect close to $51 million of reoccurring revenue annually, nearly $3 million from the aquatic industry and airport industry, and over $45 million from hospitals. Our early adopter buyer is innovative thinking from a higher-end facility where they care about people's safety and the longevity of their facility. Currently, 3 pools, the town of Ponoka, University of Calgary, and the city of Wetaskiwin have agreed to partner with us to test our product. Dr. Alex has agreed to partner with us for the development of our product. He is an engineering professor at the University of Calgary and founder and director of the UVS Robotarium Research Lab that is dedicated to the R&D of robotic systems. As well, 3 engineering students of different specialties want to work with us on our product, and some have expressed interest of making this project their capstone.
Our next steps are: Step 1. Starting 2022, we will be applying for funding to jumpstart R&D through Innovate Calgary, Innovate Alberta, and the STEM research grants. For Step 2, we will be using our skill development team to create Prototype 1 and testing it at the UFC pool. For Step 3, we're going to build, measure, and learn to create Prototype 2 and 3 and testing at the UFC pool, Ponoka, in Wetaskiwin. And for the final step, after having a sellable product, we are going to finalize our design and set up our on-demand manufacturing. And afterwards, we're going to attend trade shows to expand our customer segment. Our team opens the floor for questions.